Alright, we're going to start a new environment here. This is a big TGA that Misaki just gave me, and it has all the art for an environment in it in one file. We're going to use that. We're going to go into Maya now. And we're going to start by creating a plane, just a simple plane, and the width and the height are 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. And that's how we start this whole thing off. Let's start off with making the sky. We want to use the outliner in Maya to name the node, the sky. Now we want to associate this image with the polygon we just created, and we'll use the built-in Lambert material for that. We set the color to the file that we're using. Go through here, track it down. Yellow.tga is the name of the file. Hit 6 to display all that. So now I've got a single polygon with the map to the whole image. We just want to use this part of the image, so we're going to use the UV editor and move the shell, that UV shell, over just that part, shrink it so it's about right, and you want to get it, really kind of dead on, but I'm not going to worry about that too much right now. I'm just going to get it so it's real close, and then we can go back and fix it later. So I've got my UV map there, and you see now the image is set there. The sky is set up to that. Now you also see all these extra nodes here. We want to get rid of all those extra nodes. And the way you do that is you want to go through kind of a process, freeze transforms, and then delete all by type history, and it compresses all those nodes into a simple shape, and that's it. So now let's create another one, and I found the easiest way to do this. We could go through the polygon creation again, but the easier way is just to duplicate an existing node. I'm going to do Control D, duplicate, and rename this. I know I have a rock, so I'm going to call it rock A. You don't want to use numbers in the names. That's reserved for instances that Maya attaches automatically. So do not name things with numbers. Don't use spaces. Use programmer type names. Okay, so now we've got a duplicate of the sky called rock A, and we want to pull up the UV editor again, and this time move that so it's over the rock. I'm going to use the UV tool to kind of get to the basic area of it, shrink it to kind of get it set up to be about right. And again, I'm not going to be exact here. And that's it. So go through and map all of the individual objects into these 1 by 1 polygons, rectangles, changing the UVs for each of them, and then you go out and you save, you export all. To export all to an FBX file, and I'm calling this yellow.fbx because this is the yellow world. And that's the first part of the process, is to go through and create all the objects that way.